Hey there, Excel lovers! Welcome back to my Excel chart series, where we take boring data and turn it into stunning next-level visuals. Today, we're diving into something really cool, the Radial Bar Chart. If you're tired of the same old bar charts, this circular version of a bar chart, built with a stacked donut chart, is going to change the game. This is perfect for visually comparing values, like tracking how close different regions are to hitting their targets. So, let's jump right in and create one together. First, select your data. Head over to the Insert tab. Click on Pie or Donut Chart More Pie Charts. Select Stacked Donut Chart and hit OK. Boom. We now have the foundation for our radial bar chart. But don't worry, it's about to get way better with some formatting magic. Right now, our chart is looking a little messy. Let's fix that. Let's first remove unnecessary elements. Click on the chart title right arrow. Hit Delete. Click on the legend. Right arrow. Hit Delete. Now we want to remove the chart border for a sleek look. Click on the chart. Go to the Format tab. Click Shape Outline, select No Outline. Much cleaner already. Now let's make it look amazing. First, let's thicken the donuts. Right-click any donut slice arrow format data series. Set donut hole size to 25%. This makes the bars look bolder. We only want to see the progress portion, so let's remove the extra part. Click on the remaining section of the first donut. This may take 2 clicks. Click the Format icon arrow. No fill. Repeat this for all other donuts. Now only the progress bars are visible. This is where the magic happens. Let's give our chart an ombre effect. Light to dark shades for a sleek look. Click the outermost donut, the first progress bar. Open the Fill Color drop-down. Choose the lightest shade of blue. Now repeat this for the next donut, but choose a slightly darker shade. Keep going darker with each layer until the innermost donut is the darkest shade of blue. Pro tip. This works great with any colour scheme. Just start light on the outside and go darker as you move in. Right now, we have a great-looking chart, but we need to label each donut so we know which region it represents. First, we will add a text box. Click on the chart. Go to Insert arrow Select Text Box. Click and drag to create a text box inside the chart. Now, we want to link the text box to a region name. Click the text box. In the formula bar, type equals and select the region name cell, E-Yara B7. Press Enter. The label updates automatically. Now we will position and style the labels. Move the label next to the corresponding donut. Click Bold to make it stand out. Now, instead of repeating these steps manually for every region, let's speed things up. Lastly, let's duplicate labels for quick formatting. Select the first label. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Change the cell reference, e.g. B7B6. Reposition the label. Repeat this for the remaining labels. And just like that, we're done. So tell me, are you Team Bar Chart or Team Radial Bar Chart? Drop your answer in the comments below. Before you go, if you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more Excel chart hacks, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe for more fun Excel tricks, turn on notifications so you never miss any new videos. I'm so excited to keep learning with you. Excel is an amazing tool, and with a little creativity, you can make data look beautiful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.